back to my channel. Today we are going to do another unboxing of a planner. Let's get started. So I got a Filofax Calipso in A5 size. So I got it in color black, and it says here that it's made in India. First thing that I noticed, it doesn't come with a brown box. This is the first time that I'll be getting a Filofax planner in this white cardboard box, because usually it comes with the brown one. If you would see my unboxing video of my Filofax Calipso in compact size, you'll be able to see that's how the planner usually comes with the brown box. So there you go. So it comes with this cover. Let me remove it. Alrighty. There you go. Let's remove the plastic. There you go. There you go. So, this is my Filofax Calipso in A5 size. So it's a full grain leather. It has the croc print on the side. And when you open the planner, you'll see on the left side 6 card slots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has a 1 full depth pocket on the side. It has your stretchable pen loop. And on the right side there's one vertical zip pocket. So let's go over the inserts. Sorry about the ring light. It gives like a reflection on this side. Okay, let me open it. So it has this clear dashboard. This is what I'm saying, guys. If you watched my unboxing of my Filofax Calipso in the compact size, I was saying that it wasn't organized as the previous Filofax planners that I got, like the inserts. So this is what I'm saying. This is missing on my Filofax compact size with the same style. So I'm missing this one, but this one is here. And then we've got the notepads. Comes with, again, blue, green, and pink. Has the dividers on the side, 6 dividers. Has the to-dos. Next thing is this notepad in white. Has like a graphing paper too. A blank one. Have contacts. You have the Filofax ruler. Then you have your weekly planner. So this is how it looks like. So if you guys are interested, this is what the planner looks like when you buy it. Like the inserts of the weekly planner. There you go. And then again, there's another clear dashboard, plastic one. And this is a front pocket, not front, but top pocket, top loading pocket document. There you go. So here's the front. Here's the front. Here's the back. Here are the sides. When I say sides, it's just one side. So side, the top and the bottom. There you go. So this is how the planner looks like. So what can I say about this planner? Number 1, it's flexible. Number 2, I got it at a sale price. And number 3, I really love this croc print leather on the side. Okay, so I purchased this from the Filofax website. It was on sale when I got it. So it was on sale for $78, and there was an extra 30% off sale during the time that I purchased this planner. So I got it for $54.60. So there's another option of getting it from the Amazon website, but I believe it would cost you around $95. With Amazon, the price keeps on changing, at least maybe, I'm not sure, every day, because I always add it in my cart, and then Amazon would put some like important notes if there's any change in my cart, like the prices. So if this is something that you want to purchase on sale price, again, please do your research. Like, I try to wait a couple of days before I purchase the item to see if I'm getting the best deal out of it. I am not sure also that if you sign up with Filofax, if you could get that 10% and apply it to sale items. I'm not sure if it's only applicable to regular price items, but if you do sign up, you'll get a 10% discount, which is definitely a good deal. Well, I know on this insert I'll be using the clear dashboards, the plastic ones, and the ruler I am not sure because I already have one, and then I'm gonna be using this top loading document pocket. I'm thinking of using this one as my work planner. So right now I am using the Cloth and Papers clear planner, which is very nice, but I find it like very more professional if I use a leather planner with it that definitely I could bring to my work every time. So all in all, I love this planner. If you guys have any questions about this planner, please leave a comment below. I would gladly answer them. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.